Once upon a time, in the middle of the Indian Ocean, on the island of Mauritius, there lived a species protected by nature, the dodo. Flightless, large and curious, it knew no fear in a world without predators. It roamed freely in the jungle, feeding on fallen fruit and hiding its eggs among the large leaves. But this peace was not eternal. When Dutch sailors arrived in Mauritius in 1598, they encountered a bird they had never seen before. Fearless, large and flightless, it was an easy catch. The sailors were hungry. They started hunting the dodos. One by one, the eggs disappeared. The species dwindled a little more each